Yo, what's good guys, it's Cyber, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this ghost echo effect in After Effects. Before I start off, make sure to follow on my socials down below, and join up to Discord. The effect I'm about to show you guys is in my keirokeyz editing pack, so please make sure to go check that and let's get to it. Alright, so once we're in After Effects, we have our clip right here. We're just going to go to this empty space, right click, new, and adjustment layer. I'm just going to trim it to the video. And the first effect we're going to grab is an echo. So in our echo effects, we're just going to change this number to like a 1. And we go to 0 and type in a minus. So it's minus 0.133. The number of echoes, we can turn it up to like a 3. Then all we're going to do is just drop these down as well to like a 0.6. So that's kind of the main kind of effect that adds that kind of trail. But now all we have to do is just spice it up. So the first effect I'm going to do is raise, sapphire raise. I'm going to drag it onto our adjustment layer. And as you can see, it like kind of adds this like glow type of effect to it. So we can just keep it how it is. After that, we can add in a heat wave. All this does is just kind of like add a distort to it. So we can turn up the heat intensity, drop the speed a little bit, and the blur amount down. Let's check it. Alright, so that's cool. And finally, we can just add in the CC lens. All we have to do is just up it maybe like a 350. You could also use optics compensation. So all it does is kind of get that lens effect. And then we have something like this. I think this clip right here looks fire. And another way you can kind of use it is by pressing T and go into your opacity on the adjustment layer. We can keyframe it at 100, go back a few frames, turn it to 0, and you can kind of see we have it like kind of slowly pop in, something like this, like that. So that's it for today's tutorial. As I said, this is in my keirokeyz editing pack, so make sure to go check that out. Follow all my socials down below. Let me know what else you guys want, and have a good one.